This is Hawaiian charisma style. Come eat, come.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's about to go down. Well, check out the new cart. Check out the new cart. My first one ever. Yessah. We still be at Uncle TJ's house. Gonna cook up some kala and some fried fish like that. Because my Auntie Tim is visiting from the mainland. It's gonna be some killer grinds.
Only thing about this place is the afternoon sun.
Should be on the rack.
Don't have you cook on.
Yessah. Nice munu. Table boss. Pone. Two nice sized collars. The variety pack like that. Yeah. It pops over there. Yessah. Yeah. Okay, now you can cut them up into smaller pieces so everybody can get a little bit of everything. Sharp knife. Yessah. Yeah, right. Ready to grind. What you cooking over here, Graham?
We're gonna make spaghetti tuna mac salad, dude. We're gonna have some hamburger meatballs with marinara and mozzarella, Lau Lau, patele, dude.
Yessah.
And we get 8 pounds poi, choke poi.
8 pounds of poi.
Yep, we're all gonna get kanak attack today, but it's okay, it's safe. It's very safe. And my rummers and pineapple juice, of course.
Say what's up to the gang.
Hi!
Ready to cock some fish?
Hell yeah.
Yessah.
Say hi, Daddy.
Look at her sticking tongue again.
Alright, get him, Graham. You grab it.
Dada.
A whole bags of Lau Laus.
Homemade.
Homemade Lau Laus. Oh, is this the one from the last video?
What's that?
The one Pops was teaching us how?
Yep.
This is the same one?
Yep.
Okay, well if you guys didn't see that video, make sure you guys go check them out. Yessah.
This one with the X is not cooked yet. So we're gonna put this on the bottom because it's gonna steam longer, yeah? About an hour and a half because this one gonna cook. The rest just warm up. But oh no.
Oh no,
So we
this
put
is-
this one first. Tell me if I did them right.
I touched the agua a little bit.
That's okay. No problem.
Oh, I love patella.
Me too. Shit, it was my diet, but whatever. Frick, maybe we gotta do them all separate. Nah, we can probably do on top. Okay, bottom layer. One that's gonna have to cook longer.
Oh, and some more patella.
Yeah, that one all too.
Oh.
Here, you know what, bring down. We're gonna do all potato, then the other part we're gonna do all Lau Lau. How's that?
Okay. Unless you like do half and half. Oh, too late. Oh, that's some hefty not Lau Lau. Hefty patellas, huh?
Yeah. Oh, yeah?
Yeah. Just put to the top, huh?
Oh, what the hell? That's all you can take home.
Yeah.
Lau Lau original with butterfish going down. There we go. All homemade. Sammy of the Hawaiian tradition. If you don't eat good, you gotta watch our video, man. That's the only way. The stove is calling. That can steam.
Yay.
Holy shit, I think we can feed the entire neighborhood. What you think?
I think so.
Okay, that's cool. I'm making the old corned beef and onion deal because we get choke poi. Corned beef and onion. You remember that in the old days? You put a little bit of Hawaiian salt, put the poi, dip, Hawaiian salt, eat. Oh my god.
Oh fuck, took off my shorts so it's still good. Everything else I fucking throw away.
Did you fucking hold it, your ass? You never hold your
I had
ass?
leggings on, so it held in.
When you do, trying to
You threw away your leggings.
No.
fucking doodle boy.
Oh shit. No, I'm a white woman then. I look if everybody care. Nobody care. I run to the sink, grab water, run back in.
Oh, fuck.
Open the stall again. Salt. Water.
Oh, shit. Cooking in the rain. Cheers. Cheers.
Fucker. Oh, you sick bitch. Oh, you sick fuck.
What happened?
I'm on this fucking
Wait. No, you're gonna waste the ice. You're gonna waste the ice, bro.
Oh, the Lau Lau, somebody busted already. Best parts of it.
Oh. Let that breeze cool them off.
Oh my gosh. What the heck?
How's the Lau Lau?
Oh, delicious. Kyrie loves it.
Hey!
Hi.
Yeah, Kyrie? Cao Cao. Delicious, yeah? She loves it.
Kyrie, you should have been Makai.
Oh.
The water
Yes,
girl.
Yessah.
This was her birthday. Any day. This was her birthday. We went up to the fucking drive.
Fucking food. You gotta try a piece of this one now.
Yeah, I will. I trade you my Lau Lau and my patele for a piece of fish. Anytime. This is Hawaiian charisma style. Come eat, come.
Okay guys, I just want to get on here and say that my GoPro has been acting up lately, and some of these clips are like, I don't know, it's just been super shaky and blinking colors, and the past 2 dives has been like turning on and turning off on its own. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I only got a couple clips from this barbecue, but look, you see, here it goes, blinking and shaking. And I don't know what it is, but if you guys have any idea on how to fix this, or if I need to get a new GoPro, or any advice, just let me know down in the comments. Yessah, enjoy the video. Yessah, brother, going in. See what we get. Grab some maninis. Hopefully a nice color. How this spread, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, this bugger me. Find one spear gun in the water.
Also 90.
Yeah.
No, there's no hole. It's inside of like a gun.
Oh, that's so nuts.
Chef?
Oh, how is this? They're in MacGyver this, bro.
Yeah, and swear on themselves.
Oh, yeah. Ah!